Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here. Today we're headed into Target Bullseye's Playground to look at all the new goodies hitting the shelves for Halloween. Let's go shopping. First up, some ceramic pumpkins. They have this one in two versions. They both light up with LED. This one in Boo, and they're both $3. They do have warnings on the back about not using them with candles. This is the other version, and it was actually cracked, so I didn't want to move it. They also have some really adorable mini pumpkins. These are all just $1. They come in the black Trick or Treat, the white in Boo, and I found it in two jack-o'-lanterns. They're also putting out a few black potted succulents. These are smaller and cost $3 a piece. They come in a few varieties and all have a sort of copper or gold around the rim. They also have these large metal buckets in Trick or Treat. These would be great pieces of decor with a faux candle or some twinkle lights inside. It does have the handle and could also be used for handing out candy. They're $5 a piece, and I found them in the black and orange. Now this next item caught my eye. I'm still thinking I should have picked one up. They are a wide mouth ceramic pumpkin. As you can see, they have 3 color variations with different sayings on them. Now these are bigger than the smaller wide mouth characters at Halloween, and they're $5 a piece. Next up, some plastic neon lights. They just put out some similar ones for their ice cream themed collection. This time around, they're putting them out for Halloween, and they're larger. So these are $5 a piece. They require 2 AA batteries that they do not come with. And I found it in the candy, the witch's hat, and the pumpkin. Next up, some haunted mansions. These are little ceramic houses. I'm glad they're doing them for Halloween. They have a 2-story and 2 1-story versions. They're putting out a lot of ceramic items. They also have this spooky tree, another $3 item. Something I didn't notice was there is a lot of detail on these. There's even a cobweb on the roof. This little witch is another ceramic item for $3. She couldn't be any cuter. They also have it in the skull, a little toothy ghost, and Frankenstein. And now for a few signs. These are little $3 signs, a good size, nothing on the back. That one reminds me a lot of the standing version at Michael's. They also have it in this little ghost. If you've got it, haunt it. Something I'm really excited about are these $1 2-sided signs. Now, these are the same as a heavy plastic placemat. I found it in 3 versions. I adore this one with the candy on it. It also comes in the black and white with 2 sides to it, and they all have little hangers up at the top. And now for some pumpkins. These are the ones I found here today, and it was a lot of orange and black. This striped one where you see black, it is black glitter, a little bit of fallout. They also have it in black with Boo on it, orange with Trick or Treat, and that is not glitter. They also have it with October 31st on a black pumpkin. It is one of the taller sizes, and the little spotted version. Now at my second Target today, I did find this pumpkin in white with the black stripes, again in glitter, and this adorable spider wooden sign. It is just $3, and the cashier remarked how cute it was when I was checking out with it. Now for some of their pillows. They do have 2, at least at this Target. This one in Trick or Treat on black, and the back is orange with black text. These are $5 pillows. This one in the orange and black stripe has a little pumpkin on the front in Boo. The wide mouth candy dishes are back again this year. They have 3 characters, a little black bat, this toothy jack-o'-lantern with a black inside, and the adorable little witch with a purple hat. These are ceramic and $3 a piece. So at my store, I haven't seen any dish towels for Halloween yet, but they are doing this. It's a fun twist. They're little bar towels, 2 in a pack for $3, and I found them in 3 different packs. I do think that if you are handy, you could sew these together and have a pillow cover for $3. Now, I have never seen signs this big or heavy in Target Bullseye's Playground. I found it in 3 versions. As you guys can see, they're $5 a piece. They have it in the black Hocus Pocus, this one Spirits and Treats on a white background, and my favorite, the Black Cat Tavern on a wood background. This is so big and such a great piece of decor for just $5. For $3, they have these pumpkin lanterns in black metal. They have copper handles, and these remind me of something you might see put out by Hearth and Hand. And now some little $1 signs. These are super cute this year. They have this one, the Raven's Inn, All Hallows Eve in white. Then they have these that have little tooth hangers on the back, October 31st and Hocus Pocus. They have it in Trick or Treat, Eat, Drink, and Be Scary, and Happy Halloween. Another one of my favorite items so far are these little rope signs. They have it in 4 versions, Boo on black, the Jack-o'-lantern trio, this little grave marker chalkboard version you can write anything on, and Trick or Treat on orange. Now for a few more signs. These are all the box style standing signs. The grave marker, Don't Laugh, You're Next, with a little bit of faux grass. They have the potion bottles in a black box sign, the little witch's feet with a tutu on the bottom. These are all $3 a piece, and it also comes in orange and black with the jack-o'-lanterns in Trick or Treat. Now for some yard stakes. They have some really cute ones this year. The little skeleton hands reaching out, a haunted mansion, 2 different grave markers, and the witch's feet with striped stockings. These all come with a stake that you easily connect for $3. They have a little raven for just $1 and some mini nutcrackers. These are $3 a piece and similar in size to the ones at Dollar Tree. Now for a few more standing signs. These are definitely for the younger crowd. They come in a few versions, the Haunted Mansion in bright pink and orange. They also have Spooky with a few googly eyes that do move around. The adorable little bat. The wings on this actually do move, they're just taped down. Trick or Treat with holographic to it. And what's sure to be the most popular is very vintage looking witch on a broom in front of a turquoise moon. These are all $3 a piece. They also have some adorable string lights, the little white ghosts, and orange jack-o'-lanterns. Those require batteries and are $3. And some $1 metal signs. These are a great new addition to their Halloween decor, and these are gonna go fast. Some more $3 string and starry lights. These 2 versions in spiders and vintage looking pumpkins. It also comes in this one with a few different pumpkin faces on the black jute and just black wire. They also have an adorable collection of little houses with a younger look and feel. This one with the vintage looking witch on the side brewing up something in her cauldron. They also have this one that I think is super cute. It's a candy shop with some candy corn on the roof. And of course, the haunted hotel with some ghosts, and they're all $3. Now, if you'd rather paint yours yourself or need an activity for some littles, they have it in a few different versions that you can DIY. They are $3 and come with paint. This one is definitely my favorite. It's even got a little banner up. They also have some cobweb wire style baskets. in metal, this one in the copper, also in black for $3. And speaking of copper, they do have some really cute mugs. This one in Pick Your Poison, 2 different jack-o'-lanterns, and Eat, Drink, and Be Scary. They are $7 a piece, so a bit pricey, but I love the handles on them. For just $1, they do have 4 different highball glasses with different little sayings and designs on the inside, 2 in the clear glass and 2 in gray. And now for some spooky foliage. They have a lot of $3 black stems, few different kind of branches, a rose, even some black boxwood. They also have the maple leaves, and what would Halloween be without some black glitter on a spooky branch? And now for some of their canvas style trick-or-treat buckets. You have this one in orange with a stripe behind the pumpkin, a chartreuse green with a flying bat, a purple and black stripe with a black bottom. These are only $3. I was sure they were going to be $5. It also comes in a black with white cobweb and a white lining. They also have 4 versions in a tote style, the orange and black stripe, purple and black, the jack-o'-lantern on green again, and the little flying bat on a black background. This one actually has little wings. This year they're putting out their mini metal buckets for just $1 in 6 different prints, lots of different versions to choose from. They're putting out lots of cute socks, Trick or Treat, Smell My Feet, this one that looks like dinosaur feet. They also have a werewolf, some black bats on a gray background. They have the little witch's shoes and socks, some really cute little ghosts, the skeletons, and the potions. Some fun little finds on my way out the door are these little light up keychains. They have it in a jack-o'-lantern, a skeleton, as well as Boo, and the light up necklaces. Now, they had 3 versions, the jack-o'-lantern, the bat, and the skulls. But these are $3, and Dollar Tree usually puts them out for just $1. I'm also starting to see lots of costume items hitting the shelves, including these little sets for $5 a piece and a few different animals to choose from. And to go along with them, they're putting out slippers or the feet. But this one I only found in 3 versions, and again, they are $5 a piece. I'll definitely be bringing you another video soon on what else I'm finding. If you've made it to this point in the video, comment down below and let me know if you decorate for Halloween and in what colors and theme or style. There will be a hidden giveaway in your future. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.